Good morning, everybody. Happy Halloween. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and today I wanted to share with you just a quick recap of all the fun projects that I made during the collaboration with Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween. I have to tell you that I had an amazing time, and I created some fun stuff. So let's real quick kind of zoom in and we will check out the projects that I made. So as you can see, my haunted desk is full of gorgeous cards that I've created using all of my goodies from my stash that I have collected for way too long. And they have been in my collection and I haven't used them, and I dug them out and I made some fantastic projects. So I decorated my desk with these lovely goodies, and I picked one from every project that I made. I did 2 cards with each design that I made, so I only put out 13 of them, but I have way more that I have in my stash, so I am good to go. I made 3D cards. I made some really fun projects that I have never done before. I used some gorgeous papers available, some from Country Craft Creation that are currently available, and a lot of them, like I said, are from my stash. So I had so much fun creating all of these fun projects. It's just amazing. I have a link down below in my description of all of the fun projects that I did make. Everybody say hi to Edgar. He's happy this morning. This is his day. But I digress. We made lots of fun projects and I am very happy. I had so much fun making these, and I'll tell you what, they look gorgeous decorating my desk, but they're gonna look even better when the recipients get them. So thank you so much for being a part of this collaboration, and please check out all of the other creators that did projects. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for learning all of the new techniques with me, and a couple of techniques that I have come up with myself. And I'm just thankful for every one of you. You all just really are amazing out there, and I just really appreciate and love your support. I just really can't tell you how thankful I am for all of you. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Happy Halloween. Have a very, very spooky day, and I will see you soon with more tutorials. Check out the description below, and I will have links to all of my tutorials, and I will have links to all of the other creators. So if you have missed this collaboration, there's all kinds of projects out there, and the creators did all kinds of different things. I focused on cards, but you can find albums, you can find treat boxes, you can find all kinds of different things Halloween related. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderfully spooky day. Happy Halloween.